playing some urban mosh pit. Well, it says current kill confirmed, but it's actually mosh pit. So as you all know, I am pretty good at urban. I mean, I usually get, I just like the close distance. I don't know, I just love the close distance. So yeah, we're playing some Call of Duty Advanced Warfare Havoc. Yeah. Probably won't get as much videos up because we're having a party for my sister. Because her early birthday party, because this weekend. Dang it! Our team's getting wrecked. I know it was. I know I saw that guy, but
kill denied.
oh, he drop shotted me. That's not. I hate when people do that. It's so unfair. Just wait for it to come.
Kill denied.
I was gonna knife him.
Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed.
Ah, I got his tag. Whatever. I'm 3 and 4 and doing the best on my team. And of course. Why does everyone have the ASM one? I don't like the ASM one.
Kill confirmed. Kill denied.
Ah, I got his tag.
Kill denied.
Whoo, this is not fair.
Kill denied.
Don't you even think about it.
Kill confirmed.
There's some guys up here. What? It's not even a hit marker.
Kill confirmed. Kill denied. UAV above. Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed. UAV in waiting. Kill confirmed.
Oh gosh, that scared me. Ooh, do not step out there.
Friendly
Note to self.
Kill confirmed. Incoming enemy care package. Enemy UAV above. Remote turret ready. Kill confirmed.
Ooh, this gun. I mean, I like versions of the ASM one. Like this one, even though I don't have it. Oh, this was almost out of ammo.
Kill confirmed.
I don't have much of ammo, that's not fair.
UAV above.
Ha.
Kill denied.
Yeah.
Kill confirmed.
Oh gosh. It's funny, right, as they step up. Come on up to my sentry gun. You're gonna get blasted.
UAV online.
Where is he? Oh, there he was. Hey, where'd my sentry gun go? Oh shoot, we're getting destroyed. Couldn't see him, a stupid system hack. Oh shoot.
Enemy care package. Enemy UAV online.
I was aiming, bruh. Just wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Bullet!
Enemy Falcon in.
Ah! Shoot, saw that guy. Woohoo! They take over our spot so quick.
Kill confirmed. UAV ready. Enemy UAV above. Enemy UAV above. Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed.
Oh, I didn't know there was a spot right there. That's kind of cool. Go up there more often.
Online. Kill confirmed.
Yeah, I didn't even mean to press the knife button. I still did it anyways. Hardcore I am.
Online.
Oh gosh, you knew exactly where I was. Distraction! I knew it was a distraction.
Enemy UAV above. Incoming enemy care package.
Where is he? Ah. Hold on, guys, don't win. Hold on, let me do something. Alright, you guys can win now. Ah, man.
Not paying you to lose. Get it together and go again.
Oh, look at the little puppy dog on the left. Oh yeah, first place. Yeah, that's how I do. I was way better than everyone on my team. See, that's why I love Urban. Like a boss. See you in the next round. And we're back. We're playing some Drift on Domination. Should probably get my HRB out, but I got 5 headshots in last match. So I got a quick draw for my MP11. Yeah, that's right. But I'm going to be using my HBR,
Domination.
Average Joe, and my Bulldog for my secondary. There. The only bad thing is it doesn't have that many kill streaks.
Capture and defend the flag.
So you got my Bulldog
Enemy has Alpha.
pounds,
Charlie secure.
especially on close quarters. I need to get quick draw. Whenever I'm playing Urban, quick draw would help me a lot. I mean, I have quick draw for my AE4, but guess who? Ah, almost got him.
Taking the lead.
But even then, there was another guy behind him. I love singing.
Enemy
What's it called?
C.
Can't remember what it's called, but it's the scope. I want to say thermal, but thermal is awful in this game.
Securing A.
Oh, well.
Alpha secure. Enemy has C.
Got someone. Yeah, 4 and 3.
Who's in B? System hack. Enemy hubs have been disabled.
Hey, we're winning. That's all that matters.
Clearing the way.
Friendly bombing run makes you want to run.
UAV is online.
Oh. Why am I 4 and 4 all of a sudden? I saw that guy right there. This guy running right over there. Yeah, there he is. I saw someone's bullet, but I didn't know if it was his. But I got a supply drop. All is good. Get inside. I want to watch this. I've never seen what happens. Oh shoot. Oh, an avalanche. Oh! Well, that was pretty cool.
Friendly UAV above.
They're escaping this. Ah, there's 3 of them. They're all guarding C with their stinging knife.
System hack. Enemy hunts have been
And I got like 1 or 2 go-getters. Got someone! Yeah! I killed someone. What?
enemy UAV online.
This is not cool. This is why I play on small maps. Because I have no good long distance guns. This is especially why.
Securing Charlie.
Where is he? Oh, I wouldn't let me jump up fast enough. 6 and 10. This guy 10 and 1.
Enemy hunts have been disabled.
Come on. There's a guy in B. It's pretty obvious.
Losing Alpha. Enemy taking A. We lost Alpha. We lost A.
Oh, come on. Come on.
Enemy
Come
UAV
on.
online. We're winning.
This is awful.
Friendly Warbird in the air.
See, I don't like that. Just sat there for like 5 minutes and no one kills me.
UAV above.
I was behind a wall. I don't see how he hit me behind a wall.
UAV.
Okay, well nobody's here. Might as well. Okay. One.
Half shot.
Next,
A secure.
we're back.
Enemy has C. We have the lead. Enemy UAV above.
I have the submachine gun. This is sad.
B. Friendly UAV above. Securing B.
Distraction.
Enemy taking Alpha. Enemy UAV online. Securing Alpha. B secure. A secure. Enemy
Come on, reload. Oh gosh!
Enemy taking B.
Thank you.
Lost Bravo.
I'm not even playing for the objective. I'm just playing for the kills. Loser. I didn't die completely.
Launching care package. Securing C. Losing A. Enemy assault zone incoming. We lost A. Charlie secure. Friendly
Why can't I get past here? Okay, there we go. But the glass is just too clear.
Enemy has A. UAV recon standing by.
I hear someone's exo boosting.
Remote target ready.
Ha!
B secure. System hack. Enemy huts have been disabled. Friendly Warbird in the air. Warbird support requested.
Shoot.
Our UAV is online. Losing Charlie. Friendly bombing run incoming. Enemy taking C. We lost Charlie.
Ah, see, this is why I don't like the ASM1.
Enemy has C.
Because it's so weak.
Enemy UAV above.
Oh, well, that did nothing. I'm just gonna sit in this corner.
In the air.
Seems to do better in corners.
Enemy assault drone in the air. Enemy has C.
On your right side, everything's back to its snowy self.
Huts have been disabled. Friendly
Saw you.
securing Alpha.
Flippin' ninja. Where was he? What? What?
Securing C.
That is pure cheat.
Alpha secure. Charlie secure.
Gotcha.
Enemy UAV above.
Sprint, run, run.
No, Chris, we're gonna get these up. You get a corner.
Where is he?
Friendly UAV above.
We got every spot. I don't know where to go. Obviously not at A because everyone's at A. Or maybe right beside A. Oh, there's only two guys. They all rage quit. Kill? No. Just fall through the map. Yeah, victory by doing... Alright, well, that's the end of that video. I'm too tired. I gotta go do my party.